my name is Kathy Brandenburg.
And I'm Bill Brandenburg.
Our home was getting sort of overgrown. We had the front patio, had a lot of mature plants that were too large for the space. The tile in the front didn't have any drainage, and so it was growing slime and it was slippery and it was dangerous for people. So we knew that we had to do something. Also, our back area, we wanted to take the grass out and put in turf so that it would be less water usage. We started looking online to find companies that might be able to do a project of this scope. And when we found Designs R Us, they answered our call right away and offered to come right out, which they did. They had great ideas, immediately had great plans and good suggestions for us. Designs for You came in and did a design for us and did 3D mock-ups. And that's very important to be able to visualize exactly what you're going to get. That was a very good experience. The crew that came in, Alan, can't say enough about him. He is just the nicest, kindest, most hardworking man. He came in and checked with us every day. We especially appreciated about Designs for Us is the fact that once they started the project, they were here every single day until it was done. And while they were working, they also listened to us. If we had something we wanted to change, we talked about it, discussed it. So it was a very good experience because of the communication. We went and shopped and had a wonderful time and bought probably 100 new plants to put in. And the final result is just so special and so colorful, and we are thrilled. We would especially like to thank Ronnie and Eden and Alan, who were there for us every step of the way. They were delightful to work with, and the results could not have been any better. The quality of the work is spectacular. We didn't feel like we ever had to watch them. They did beautiful work on everything that they did. If you want to have good quality work done, we highly recommend it.